In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's annotation feature in 5 minutes. Let's click the annotation button to start to use the grease pencil. Click and hold the button to see all 4 features on the menu. Selecting the default option will allow us write or draw anything on the screen. The line option will draw straight lines. We must click and drag to create a new line. The polygon option works like the line, but we can just click to create a continuous line like this. Again, the line has to be drawn by clicking and dragging. The polygon can be drawn by clicking. The eraser will remove any annotations shown on the screen. Let's type N to bring up the Properties menu. We can change the color of the annotation like this. The annotation's default placement is set to the 3D cursor. This means the annotation will rotate around the 3D cursor. The view placement will stay the way it is no matter how we move, rotate, or zoom the view. The surface option will allow us to draw on the mesh like this. The Stabilize option will allow us to draw or write with a stabilizing drag object. The line becomes smoother when we use this option. We can add, remove, or hide annotations by using the plus and the minus buttons here. There are 2 more options to explore, and they're the line thickness control and the locking feature. When we lock an annotation layer, we can either see or hide the annotation in another animation frame. Notice only a locked annotation is shown on another frame once the feature gets activated. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.